Hey guys, Sam here, and today I'm going to be, as you can see in the title, I think I say that for all my videos, as you can see in the title, but I'm building, it's part 3 of my Lego spaceship. Well, one of the jets came off. Well, this box with all my Legos, as you can see, most of the Lego pieces are broken off. So yeah, so most of this video is just going to be me fixing it. So much of a fun video. Yay. I forget how this works. And is it a little different? I don't know. I don't know. I don't understand how I built it. No. Why do I have a bad memory? I can't. How'd it go? Guys, well, the most of this video is gonna be me like rebuilding my spaceship because, well, I might put that in the title. Yeah. So I try to make the walls a little bit better, and I use these pieces. So if I want to put make it look like it has cannons on the sides. Okay, so yeah. I think I said this in the 2 episodes. Oh yeah, go check if you didn't see my Lego plane that I built with no instructions. Go check out that video really soon. So yeah, just check that out. Oh yeah, I had I wanted to build like a door on the side or something. I might make this plane a little bit thicker. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Where's my plane? Here it is. I made an upgrade to it. See the wings? They're a lot bigger than when I showed you. How long has this video been? Okay, 3 minutes. Sorry about that close up on my face. I just wanted to see how far it's been. But yeah, I'm really proud of it. The engine here. It doesn't have it under the wings. I know that's how real planes are. It's because I only have one. So yeah, I'm gonna take these pieces off. Use them for the wings. Hopefully you guys like this. Hold on, I'm gonna close the door. My sister has her friends over. Sorry, but yeah, it's March break, so I have homework. Boo! And I haven't even started on it. Okay. There we go. So yeah, it looks a little bit better. Sorry, I'm just remembering something from the show. Okay, I'm having trouble with this. It's been 5 minutes. Sorry, I can't see it. I have to put my hand over it so I can see it. I don't know why. Sorry, it's... Okay. Sorry if you can hear that. It's been 6 minutes. Okay. So in the other one, I had to end at like super early. It's just my iPad thing that I'm recording with my iPad. It can't. Videos can't be. Usually they don't upload if they're longer than 8 minutes or 9 minutes. So yeah, I'm just lucky it even uploaded. There we go. That's a lot better. Sorry, I breathed really heavily. I'm in a good mood. Sorry, I keep giggling. So yeah. Oh, and I still haven't gotten a name for that lizard that I created. Don't forget to leave a comment. Because I don't know what to call him. He's been in here for a while, just sitting there, waiting for a name. Name for the lizard. Okay, so yeah, so we need a door, so that means I'm going to have to do this. Oh, poo, I can't. No door for this spaceship. That's okay. It's gonna be mini-sized anyways, so. How did I make this? Oh. I'm forgetting how. 9 minutes already. This video has gone by fast. That's for sure. Still 9 minutes, yeah. Oh, yes, perfect idea. Burning in here. I'm funny. It's fun to be fun. While I'm rebuilding it and while I'm making it like an upgrade, I'm just gonna give a shout out to my friends, Liam, Cam, Brian, Andy, it's my friend Sebastian, and yeah, I'm not gonna like say any other personal information about them. I'm just saying my friends. I have more friends, but yeah, they might not want me to say. I don't know. Never mind. And I don't know if half of those people even watch my channel. I'm just saying. As a friend, I'm giving them a shout out. Oh yeah, I have these pieces. Doy. It's 10 minutes. Let me just finish this wall. I'm rushing now. I can't find any pieces. I'll see y'all guys next time. This is what it looks like. Done. See y'all guys next time. Bye.